Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Children, in our last session, we have discussed and completed textbook bits of lesson 5, Jojo's Pet. In today's session, children, we will pick out the hard words from the text as well as will complete bit B. That is, read the sentence and answer the questions. Okay? So, all of you open your classworks, children. Now, open your classworks, write date and write down lesson 5, Jojo's Pet. Jojo's Pet. In that, first bit, children, hard words. Hard words. In hard words, first one, children, Jojo. Read out the spelling and write down Jojo, Jojo. Second one is hopping, Hopping, hopping. And the third hard word is bushes, Bushes, bushes. Fourth hard word is basket, Basket, basket. Fifth hard word is Tweety, Tweety, Tweety. Sixth hard word is insects, Insects, insects. And the seventh hard word is naughty, Naughty, naughty. Eighth hard word is boot, Boot, boot. Ninth hard word is stuck, Stuck, stuck. Next, 10th hard word is shook, Shook, shook. Next, 11th hard word, children, flapped, Flapped, flapped. And next, 12th hard word is loft, Laughed, loft. Okay, these are the 12 hard words, children. Once we'll read all the 12 hard words, all of you read along with me. First one, Jojo, Jojo, Jojo. Second one, hopping, Hopping, hopping. And the third hard word is bushes, Bushes, bushes. Next, fourth hard word is basket, Basket, basket. And fifth hard word is Tweety, Tweety, Tweety. Sixth hard word, children, insects, Insects, insects. And the seventh hard word is naughty, Naughty, naughty. And the eighth hard word is boot, B-O-O-T, boot. Ninth one, stuck. S-T-U-C-K, stuck. 10th hard word, children, shook. S-H-O-O-K, shook. 11th hard word is flapped. F-L-A-P-P-E-D, flapped. And the last 12th hard word, children, loft. L-A-U-G-H-E-D, loft. Okay, these are the 12 hard words. Now next, second bit, children. Second bit, answer the questions. Answer the questions. So here a sentence is given. You should read the sentence and answer the question related to the sentence. Here the sentence is he could not, N-O-T, not, put, P-U-T, put, on, O-N, on, one, O-N-E, one, boot, B-O-O-T, boot. So this is the sentence. He could not put on one boot. So here the question is, first question is, who could not put on one boot? Who could not put on one boot, children? Here the answer is, who was trying to put on the boot? It's Jojo. Jojo, J-O-J-O, Jojo, C-O-U-L-D, could, not, N-O-T, not, P-U-T, put, on, O-N, on, one, O-N-E, one, boot, B-O-O. So, Jojo could not put on one boot. Now, second question, children. Second question. Why, W-H-Y, why couldn't, C-O-U-L-D-N apostrophe T, couldn't, he, H-E, he, put, P-U-T, put, on, O-N, on, the, T-H-E, the, boot, B-O-O-T, boot. Okay, so the question is, why couldn't he put on the boot? Jojo couldn't put on one boot. So why he couldn't put on one boot? Because something was stuck in the shoe. And what it was? It was the top. Okay, so the answer is, he couldn't, C-O-U-L-D-N apostrophe T, he couldn't put on the, T-H-E, the, boot, B-O-O-T, boot, because B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because T-H-E-R-E, there was, W-A-S, was a, what was there in the boot? There was a top. in his boot. There was a top, T-O-P, top, iron in the boot, B-O-O-T, boot. So here the answer is he couldn't put on the boot because there was a top in the boot. That is about question and answers, children. Now, once we'll read the question as well as the answer. All of you read along with me. Here, the sentence given is he could not put on one boot. And here the question based on this sentence is who could not put on one boot? And the answer is Jojo could not put on one boot. Second question, children. Why couldn't he put on the boot? And the answer is he couldn't put on the boot because there was a top in the boot. Okay, that is about the question and answers, children. Now with this we have completed all the bits of lesson 5, Jojo's pet. Hope you all have understood the lesson, children. Now coming to today's year homework, complete all the bits of lesson 5 in your textbook as well as in your notebook. Complete all the bits of lesson 5, Jojo's pet, in your textbook as well as in your notebook. Okay, children? Okay, that's it for today. See you in the next session. Bye, children.